Well, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How is everyone doing? Let me just position myself to put the stream link in some places. But how are you all? I see that we've got a few in the chat already. It's nice to see everyone back again for what I'm sure will be another fun stream. Yesterday was yesterday was great. Let me just pop it into the Stonksy Discord. Good morning to you all. And just let me pop it into somewhere else. That is that. And then we will get cracking. How are you all doing? How are you all doing? So who have we got so far? So we've got Scotty, the ever-present Scotty, in all the streams, pretty much. Nice to see you this morning, mate. Well, I should say this morning, this afternoon. Choppy as FK today, having no joy scalping this morning. Yeah, it's tough out there, isn't it? It's tough out there. We'll have a look at what happened yesterday as well. We'll have a look at what happened yesterday, because yesterday was interesting, the price action that unfolded. We've got Dan saying, ready for party with Dave, as always. Yeah, as always. And hopefully, one day we'll have a proper Stonksy party. That would be good. And then, yeah, you can see Party Dave in full action then, in full flow. We've got Steve saying, let's get Reed to rumble. I think that's let's get ready to rumble. Howdy, howdy. Howdy to you, sir. Howdy. I'm going to have to get myself a cowboy hat, the amount of times that I say howdy. Howdy, howdy. We've got another Dave. So, it's not just me. We've got another Dave in here saying, morning, buddy. Good morning to you, Dave. We've got Muji. Hi, all. Hi to you. And good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for joining the stream. And make sure, as always, as soon as you pop in, drop the stream a like and make sure you're subscribed. We've got Crypto Bro. Let's go. Hit up the likes. Exactly, yeah. Everyone listen to Crypto Bro. Let's get the likes going. Let's get the likes going. And does everyone like the new title? I thought, we'd switch it up. Instead of daily market review, we've gone a bit more, in your face. A bit more in your face to get some more, some more viewership. So RTM says, Bitcoin ready to send, or is it just another fake breakout? We'll have a look, because I want to have a look at the price action yesterday, because it was quite interesting what happened. We've got Mike saying GM to you, Mike. We've got John Brown saying GM to you, John. The Max, hello, Dave. Hello to you, Max. Hello to you, and thank you very much for coming back, everyone. Make sure you are, drop the stream a like, and if you're feeling generous, let's go and share it somewhere. Go and drop it on Twitter. Go and drop it on a random Telegram group that you might be in. Fellow Stonksy owner, it's good to see you, and hopefully, you're banking some nice profits with Stonksy. How about putting in a live trade? We'll look at that soon. Because yes, if you missed it yesterday, we are going to be partnering with an exchange, and them details should be out hopefully even this week, where we can recommend an exchange for you to use, and we'll have all the usual stuff and a link to include some bonuses and things like that. So potentially we could look at live trading once that's confirmed, and obviously I can provide a link to you guys and tell you where Stonksy is partnered with, and where we would say go and trade there and support Stonksy. So that will be coming hopefully this week. But yes, so we'll look forward to that. That would be good, and I think particularly on the 1 minute, maybe not on Bitcoin, maybe we go for something a bit more volatile, like the 1 minute with Brett, Doge. They've all been good on the 1 minute. Obviously Bitcoin is, and Ethereum, Solana, things like that. But in terms of volatility, the big memes have been really good on the low time frames. We've got RTM saying, someone mentioned something about chat with Bitcoin index. Do you know about this? Yeah, I believe TMG mentioned it, didn't he, yesterday, about the Bitcoin index. We'll pull that up. I'll make a note of that, the Bitcoin index, because a few people in the Discord as well have been asking about that. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin index. We'll have a look at my alerts, as you can see right there. I've got 99 plus alerts. That's from yesterday's stream. Setting the 1 minute alerts on with, and I think we set it on Bitcoin as well. So we'll look at the Bitcoin index for sure. Please look at KuCoin. What for? What do you want me to look at KuCoin? ESFA. Or do you mean KuCoin's exchange token? What is it? KCS or KSC? Something like that? Is that what you mean? Do you mean KuCoin's actual coin? Waiting for my Palau ID. It's been 9 days so far. Fantastic. Yeah. Very good. I think, what's the wait on it? It's a couple of weeks, isn't it? Is it up to like four to 6 weeks, something like that? And I don't know. I haven't checked myself, but I believe Palau ID is now doing a Thai ID as well. Does anyone know if that's correct? Or maybe someone could go and check. But I believe the site that does the Palau IDs are now doing Thai IDs as well. I hope the exchange will be KuCoin. Oh, right. Is that what you think? It's not KuCoin. Sorry to break your heart today, Esfer. I know. I'm sure it's in a million pieces now. But yes, it's not KuCoin. So we've got Steve-O saying, what kind of tea are you drinking, Dave? So I drink Yorkshire tea. Yeah, I drink Yorkshire tea. If it's not Yorkshire, bin it. It is what I think. You know, Tetley, what's the old PG tips? I'll get them all in the bin. Yorkshire tea all the way. So yeah, if it's unless I'm out somewhere, you know, someone's saying, you know, do you want a cup of tea? Then obviously you've got to take what you're given, haven't you? If you're staying over somewhere, but yeah, not in my household. Yorkshire tea or nothing. Oh god. So we got another Dave saying 5 to 10 days for the ID. Is it? Is that to get it online, or is that like a digit? Because I've not got one. I still need to get one. I've been meaning to get one for about a year now. I need to pull my finger out with that. But is that to get like a digital ID, or is that to get the actual thing? Because that seems quite quick considering Palau's in Asia. Yeah. We've got James saying GM to you, James. If anyone wants any tickers looking at, make sure you drop them in the chat. We're going to be looking at some different things today. We're going to cover some FX. We might look at gold, etc., etc. Max is saying blowfin. You'll have to wait and see, won't you? As soon as I can provide it to you guys, it'll be in the description, and obviously I'll be dropping some stuff in the chat. But I need to just quickly get something for this, so I need to make sure that I'm dropping the like, subscribe, and what's the other one? Like, subscribe, share. Should we put like, subscribe, share? I don't know. Well, let's go with that anyway. I'm dropping this in every few minutes. I need to set up the auto like sort of bot thing for it to automatically do it every 5 to 10 minutes. So Crypto Bro saying RNS offer a Thai driving license. Is that RNS who provide the Palau ID as well? I think it is, isn't it? If that's correct, Crypto Bro. But yeah, I think they've started offering a Thai ID as well. Yorkshire tea bangs, says JCC. JC knows. Yorkshire tea bangs. If it's not Yorkshire tea, just bin it. Just bin it. Max is saying no tea, a good coffee. I drink coffee in the morning. So I have like a little schedule where I have 2 cups of coffee in the morning and a quite big. I have like a big mug, but it's like probably the size of two normal mugs in one, because you know you don't want to keep boiling the kettle, do you? So I have 2 coffees in the morning, and once it goes past 12 o'clock, I think it just doesn't feel right to have a coffee. I go straight onto tea then. Yeah, I don't know about anyone else, but yeah, once it gets past about midday, I think something just doesn't feel right about having a coffee. I don't think. PG tips close second. Yeah, I suppose we'll go with that. We'll go with that. Red Bull, no, I stay away from anything like that. So the only sort of like fizzy drink or anything I drink is Sprite Zero. I don't drink anything else. So I'm just like a water and a tea coffee guy, and that's pretty much it. Apart from Sprite Zero, I don't drink any energy drinks, not even like any coloured fizzy drinks, nothing. Unless I'm, if I'm out and, like when you go to say Nando's or something, and you get the Fanta on the tap and stuff, yeah. But like at home and just normal day to day through the week and stuff like that, it's water, tea, coffee, and Sprite Zero for me. We've got Crypto Bro saying they will convert your current driving license to a Taiwan. Oh, is that what it is? That's interesting. Yeah, I did see something about that. Another Dave saying delivered 5 to 10 days to get your actual Palau ID is insane. I'm gonna have to get one. Cruz, welcome to the stream. Cruz, thank you very much for coming back. Everyone, make sure you go and like and subscribe, and go and share it somewhere. Why not? What's going on with CLV? Let's have a look. I'll put that on the list for you, Cruz. And thank you for coming back. And yes, good morning to you across the pond. We've got S for saying heartbroken as there is not much exchange I can use in Singapore. Well, you'll have to see, won't you? You'll have to see if you'll be able to use the one that we are going to recommend, and obviously have a link for and all the good stuff like that. So yes, you'll just have to wait and see. Maybe you might be able to use it. I don't know. But KuCoin is a good exchange. I do have an account on KuCoin. Pack, welcome Pack. Good morning good after. I keep saying good morning. Comment and subscribe. That's it, not share. Thank you, JC. Hang on. Like, subscribe, comment. That's it. Yeah. Thank you very much, JC. I was wondering what the third one was. I don't know why I thought it was share. Wearing that Bitcoin hat and cape. Yeah, not yet. Not yet. So for anyone who's not in the CSE Discord, it's saying that there's an offer on CSE at the moment. So you can join the Community Plus plan, which gets you access to the CSE Discord. And if you use code BLACK80 at checkout, so you have to make sure that you're on the monthly plan. Code BLACK80 at checkout, you get it for 80% off, which comes down to £20. So that's over at Crypto Saving Expert. So yeah, we had a good discussion today about how maybe I might come on camera soon, because I think that's what everyone wants, isn't it? But yeah, I might do a little. I think people like Crypto Face, don't they? And obviously, I think Big Cheds is another one who does it. But I think I'd want to go full, unique. And I got some. I was thinking about some ideas today. But yeah, it will be good. And there we go. Come on, like, subscribe, share, and we've replaced that with comment now. As a Singaporean, we can't have another ID from another country. Really, is that true? I did not know that. So you're quite limited, aren't you then? But I've always wanted to go to Singapore. And like JC saying, like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, that's correct. RNS offer the Plough ID and Thai driving license. Not heard them off. Oh, maybe that's what it is. Then maybe it's the Thai driving license. I thought it was like a Thai ID, how you get the Plough one. Too much caffeine is bad for you. That's it. Yeah. Well, I actually drink decaf. So I drink decaf coffee and I drink decaf tea. So my Yorkshire tea bags, the golden tea, they're actually decaf. Yeah. So I cut caffeine out a while ago. So yeah, all my tea and coffee that I drink is caffeine, which might be blasphemy to some people, but yeah, I just don't get the highs and the lows. And as you can tell, I still have enough energy to do these streams. So hello all. Hello to you, Gaza, and JC is saying, and beer. Oh, of course. Yeah. Yeah, beer and a Friday go well with me. And even Steve knows it, and beer. Yeah. Friday night beers, there's nothing better, in my opinion anyway. Yeah, I do love a Friday beer. So we got Muji again saying, how join your Discord, mate? So the Stonksy Discord, so anyone who signed up to Stonksy, so I'll drop the link in the chat. Let's go on to that one. So I'll drop the link in the chat. When you sign up to Stonksy, or if you're already a Stonksy user, you'll have had an email this week to join the Discord with the link in it. But yeah, if you want to join the Stonksy Discord, you have to go and sign up. So go and take a look. You can obviously sign up with one of the plans on the website, or you can click the option to pay in crypto, drop us an email, tell us how you want to pay, etc., and we'll sort that out. But that's how you get in the Stonksy Discord. Scotty's saying, stay away from aspartame. Beep. I don't think I can say that word on stream. It's in all diet drinks. Yeah. See, there was that was going around, but then I think, obviously, artificial sweeteners aren't great, are they? But I think it's if you have them in high amounts, isn't it? Like high amounts. Everything's in moderation. Everything's in moderation. And, even things like your phone and things like that, your mobile phone is on the list of carcinogenics and stuff. So, moderation. And, as long as you've got a good, balanced diet and things like that, you can still pick your evils, like Friday beers or some diet drinks. But that's why I drink Sprite Zero, is because it's obviously it's got a few artificial sweeteners in it, but then it's not got the added like colorings and stuff like that, because it's just carbonated water plus the flavorings. So that's why I choose Sprite Zero. Good morning to you, Shane. How are you doing? How was your trading going yesterday? We've got Andy saying, hey guys, I'm late. No, you're not late. We've only been going 15 minutes. We have only been going 15 minutes. You've not missed much. We've just been going through the chat. What's everyone thinking about Bitcoin this morning? Well, we're going to have a look. We're going to divulge into it. Andy as well, if you're still interested in coming on the stream, are you in the Discord? Have you joined the Stonksy Discord yet? Let me know in the chat, because if you have, I'll be able to hit you up. We've got Crypto Coffee Club coming on tomorrow morning. Tomorrow dinner time, the usual time. So he's joining the stream tomorrow to go through his strategy with Stonksy. Then we've got Save with Crypto, who puts together the Stonksy videos that get uploaded to the channel. He's going to be coming on next week. So if you still want to come on, Andy, yeah. Okay, well, you'll see me in there. My name is Dave in there. You'll have seen me post. I tag like the ones that do at everyone and things like that. Just drop me a message, mate, and I'll speak to you about when we'll do a little test run. It'll only take about 5 or 10 minutes. Show you obviously how everything will go, and then we'll schedule a time to get you on. Shane saying check XRP/Pepe/GRT. We covered XRP yesterday, but we'll do it again. Pepe is always a good one, and GRT was actually posted yesterday as well on the Stonksy Twitter. Raise me in saying Yorkshire tea for the win. Yep, I couldn't agree more. Esfer is saying, come to Singapore. I can bring you AI hard. I would love to come to Singapore. Yeah, it's on my list for sure. It is on my list. Has anyone else been to Singapore? Esfer's from Singapore. And thank you for the offer but I don't know what that last bit is. Do you mean that you could show me around and stuff? That's a very kind offer if that's what it is. I would take you up on that if I was to come over. Check Apt and Peanut. Oh no. Okay, yeah, we'll check Peanut. I bet Peanut is insane on Stonksy on like the lower time frames. There's the sign up link if you want to go and sign up. We got Warning saying, all right, Dave, all right to you, Warning. Good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, depending on where you are in the world. Thank you for joining the stream. Make sure everyone go and drops a like on the stream. Let's make sure that we're getting the likes up. Let's get the algorithm liking us. And keep your comments coming. So Shane's up 1,000% on XRP. Well done, mate. Well done. So did you catch the start of the move? Because Stonksy did. It started. The last I seen it was still going on the 1 hour and the 30-minute, I believe. Made 80% on FTM. Fantastic. Well done. So the wins, doesn't matter how they come, as long as the wins keep on coming. That's all that matters. Yes, mate. Will do. Yeah, just drop me a message, Andy. Drop me a DM, and yeah, we'll have a chat about it. We'll fit it around your schedule completely for when we can get you on. Obviously, the streams are locked at 12 o'clock. But yeah, whenever. And you don't have to make a full appearance. If you want to just come on for 20 minutes, half an hour, whatever, that's fine. So we've got Shane saying he's opened a Pepe trade. We've got the Gold Sniper. Second month with Stonksy. Profits are insane. I will start to stream my trade soon on my channel using Stonksy. Well, Gold Sniper, let's get you on. Another one. Let me make a note of your name, Gold Sniper. Are you in the Discord, Gold Sniper? Because I've got Crypto Coffee Club coming on. Save with Crypto's coming on, and Andy Bremer's going to come on. And make sure if you're posting anything on Twitter, make sure that you tag us or drop it to us on DM on Twitter, and I'll make sure to interact with it. We'll repost it, comment on it, all the good stuff. But yeah, if you're posting anything on Twitter, make sure you're tagging us, and I'll go and follow you. But yeah, if you'd be interested in coming, second month with Stonksy, and you've got the profits are insane, is what the Gold Sniper says. So that's good to hear. So yeah, I'm glad to hear it. And there we go. We've got another one, another example. JC saying Vanry, God, the list is growing already, isn't it, Vanry? But yeah, Gold Sniper, drop me a DM from the Discord. You'll see me. My name's Dave. I'll tag everyone when I'm going live and stuff like that. Drop me a DM, and we'll get you. Obviously, we'll discuss getting you on the stream because that will be good. UK inflation 2.3% up from 1.7. Mate, the UK is done for. Unfortunately, it's absolutely done for. I think there's no going back now. Don't know what everyone else thinks that lives in the UK, but I think it's pretty much a sinking ship. I think it's at the point where the Titanic is halfway in the water, and then it starts to snap. I think the UK has already started to snap, and then we know what happens with the rest of it. So Shane's locked in 4K profit. I'm into all-time high. Hopefully, on what? on FTM or on XRP. When is TMG going to go live? After me. So TMG will normally go live after me, or around US Open time. But you'll see it. He tweets out. He pops it in all his Telegram groups and things like that, doesn't he? So as long as you're in them and stuff like that, you'll get the notification. But yeah, normally after me. So we've got Gaza saying, I usually trade Sol and FTM with Stonksy. And he switched to Bitcoin to see if it's worth it. Bitcoin seems to work better with Stonksy. Yeah, I suppose it depends what time frame you are on, doesn't it? But I mean, obviously, the good thing about trading Bitcoin is it dictates the rest of the market. Obviously, aside from the ones that just tend to run on their own, you'll always have one or two a week, won't you? That just do their own thing and stuff like that. But when you're trading Bitcoin, you trade in the flagship. So we've got Gold saying, it's trading gold. The gold. Well, yeah, your name is the Gold Sniper. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you DM me or message the X account Sniper, and we'll get you on stream. That'd be fantastic. Is there going to be a sale on Stonksy? Nope. So that's something that maybe people are wondering. There's going to be no Black Friday, no Cyber Monday sale on Stonksy because of the product that's already offered and what's coming very soon in terms of development and advantages to users. We're not going to be lowering the price on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So the price is the price. You can get a discount on the annual with code SWC10. So that's SWC10 for 10% off the annual, but that's it. That's just a constantly running one anyway. But that's it, yeah. So there's going to be no discount on Stonksy. But there will be a massive discount on TradingView if you want to get TradingView premium plan. And like I mentioned before, Crypto Saving Expert, I've got a sale on at the moment. So you can get 80% off. So that's 80%, 80, the community monthly. So make sure you're on the monthly and then the community option. And then, yeah, with code BLACK80, you can get 80% off. So that comes down to £20 a month. And that gets you into the Discord and all the good stuff. How much do you make yourself using Stonksy? That's a very personal question, isn't it, Patrick? That's basically like saying, can you show us your wallet or can you show us your bank statement? That's a very personal question. I cover Stonksy every day, so you can see, the things that I cover, you can imagine that I go and trade. So, but yeah, that's a very personal question, but I can see why you asked it. But yeah, I mean, if you want to know what other people are making, we've had where was it? Shane said he was up 4K. There was a guy yesterday in the Discord, or maybe it was overnight, saying that he was used to making 4 figures every day. That's been posted on the Twitter if you want to go and find out for yourself. That's straight from one of the guys in the Discord, and the people in the Discord will know that because they'll be able to go and see it. So yeah, there's plenty going on. There is plenty going on. And if you do want to sign up to Stonksy, which gets you access to the Stonksy Discord, etc., and obviously the whole product, there's the link in the chat. And like I was saying yesterday, it's cheap. Obviously in relative terms, people might see £145 per month and think, "Wow, that's a lot. But when you think about it, it's around about £5 per day. So if you go to Costa Coffee every day, like I was saying yesterday, or you go to Starbucks or wherever, if you ditch that, then you can get access to Stonksy. So what would you rather do? Drink away your money, or would you rather have the chance of making more money? That's the way you got to think about it. It's an investment into yourself, and it's an investment into your trading. So people are obviously sometimes struggle to get around to the fact, I'm paying £145 a month for this. But yeah, you get a full month, 4 weeks plus of access. You've got 4 weeks plus to try and at least make £145 using Stonksy. And then obviously anything after that is profit. So Scotty's saying UK sucks. Yeah, I agree. Also Radium, please. What's the ticker for Radium? Is it Ray? I feel like it's Ray, isn't it? We need to move on to some of these tickers soon because the list is getting massive already. And I don't want to get behind in the chat, so I might just have to start skipping over some XRP. Well done, Shane. Yeah, you're up nicely, aren't you? Hello, I sent you a new video this morning. I will take a look. SWC, Sacred Crypto. If anyone's not checked out Sacred Crypto, he's the guy who's putting all the content together on the YouTube channel for the pre-made videos. You should have seen them by now. But if you haven't, after the stream, go and check out his channel and go and find him on Twitter and follow him. Really, really good content creator. Covers loads of things in crypto, and yeah, is making the Stonksy content. So make sure you go and show him some love and some support. But do it after the stream. Don't let the numbers go down. Everyone go and drop a like on the stream as well. Good afternoon, Dave. Good afternoon, Wiz. My good buddy Wiz. Good afternoon to you, sir. Crypto Bro saying, at Patrick, how much in your bank? Exactly, yeah. It was a very personal question, wasn't it? How much do you make trading? It's like, you wouldn't ask someone to show me your Halifax account or show me your Barclays account, would you? People share what they want to share. I'm only messing. Don't take any offense. Who was it who asked that question? Patrick. I'm only joking with you, mate. Don't take any offense. Just having a laugh. He's robbing you. Well, he's not, because I'm not showing him. Show me the money. So we got Andy saying, I live in Spain. Oh, nice. For 18 years running my restaurant. Looking at the UK is a real shame to see what's happening. Funnily enough, I have a British TV show coming to film. Oh, really? So what? So give us more information on that, Andy. So what part of Spain are you in? And are we going to have a Stonksy party there one night? That would be fantastic, wouldn't it? Private event in the restaurant. Who'd be up for that? I'm sure everyone would love that. Private event in Andy's restaurant, Stonksy party. Perfect. We'll have like the Stonksy Bitcoin chart on a projector and stuff like that. You know, it'd be brilliant. So a party at Andy's restaurant in Spain, that's on the cards if he's up for it. I've just announced it anyway, Andy. We've got to make it happen. But yeah, what part of Spain are you in? We've got another Dave saying, prefer trading the meme coins. They fluctuate wildly. And they're volatile, aren't they? The Max, show me your own money. Making $1,000 a day is easy with Stonksy. Very much worth the payment. It's one scalp pays for itself in 10 minutes. There we go. Straight from the horse's mouth. So Andy turned, so it wasn't yesterday, was it, Andy? It was the day before Monday's stream. Andy shared with us that he turned $5,000 into $43,000 using Stonksy since he'd had it. So if you want to maybe give us an update on that, Andy, what are you up to now? Because you was on 43, wasn't you? Say with Crypto Heart to you as well. We've got RTM saying new all-time high soon. On what? On Bitcoin? Looking probable, isn't it? It's looking nice. We'll see what happens at US Open. It depends what mood the ETFs are in. Frigiliana got a wicked music bar. Right, we're all going. What part though is that, Andy? Obviously the area, but like, are we talking like North Spain, middle? Is it on the coast? Maybe like, or maybe like what major city is it near? So like, you know, is it near Barcelona or is it near Malaga? Give us like a landmark so everyone in the chat knows where your restaurant is. What's your favorite meme coin, Dave? I think you know, mate. I think you know what my favorite meme coin is. You most definitely know. You definitely know what my favorite meme is. Let's get the party started. Yeah, let's get it planned. So we've got Scotty, a question for Andy saying, what leverage are you using and what margin? No offense taken if you want to keep it private, just curious. Yeah, and everyone make sure is another thing to obviously remember is if you see someone doing well and, you know, printing, obviously that's superb, but don't feel like you have to go and do what they do. You know, make sure that you're managing your own risk. You know, you're taking the risk that you're comfortable with. You're not in a scenario where you might lose too much or you might blow up your whole account. Just make sure that, you know, no matter how someone else is doing, you know, if you see someone you think, oh, I wish I would have turned that into that amount, just take it slow and just make sure you're sticking to your own plan. Because as soon as you maybe start trying to take someone else's risk or you use someone else's leverage and things like that, things can go wrong very quickly. So, yeah, just make sure you keep it at your own pace. But, yeah, if Andy wants to share, that's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Good day to you, Lucas. Most Southern Point, 40 minutes east from Malaga. Okay, yeah. Is that by Gibraltar? Is that by Gibraltar, Andy? I think that's quite southern, isn't it? Where is that meant to say Market Eve? I think that's meant to say Market Eve, isn't it? Not what that is saying. You behave yourself, Muji, otherwise you'll go and sit on the naughty step. Wise words from Dave. Well, that's true, isn't it? That's true. You know, people don't want to get sidetracked by big numbers or, you know, seeing, you know, big green P&L and things like that, because that's obviously how people blow up and make mistakes. It's obviously good to see people doing well. You know, we want to see all Stonksy users at printing, but, you know, some people are obviously further advanced than others. Some people have bigger accounts, etc., etc. No other side, right? Well, yeah, I'd be down to going to wherever you are anyway. We'll host a Stonksy party there. We'll put it to TMG next time he's in the stream. Do we want to get a Stonksy party organised at Andy's restaurant at some point for next year? So Lucas is saying, I have a question. A few hours with all the calls from Stonksy, but feels fees killing my profits. Any advice? So there's a few things maybe to look at there. maybe look at lowering your leverage. So that obviously means you're borrowing less money from the exchange, so bringing your fees down. So maybe lower your leverage, even if it's going to lower even if it's going to lower your profits. Lower your leverage and just take it slower. Because you'll be compounding. And the power of compounding is a powerful tool. So maybe if you're going after X amount, maybe if you lower your leverage down and that's 50% less, obviously you'd be making 50% less than you'd like to, but then you make that trade and then you've got a bigger account and you compound. If you're compounding like that and at the same time you'd be taking less risk then as well, because you'll be using less leverage, and obviously your fees will be lower. But then you'll be compounding. Have a bit of a longer term plan, and maybe looking at compounding with lower leverage. Obviously, you'd be making less each trade, but quickly you'd be surprised at how compounding can work as long as you stick at it. We've got Scotty saying, I max out at 3x leverage. Yeah, that's smart and it's safe. So TMG is in the house and he's saying 1,000% up for the party at Andy's restaurant in Spain. So maybe we'll look at that for next year. That would be awesome. That would be absolutely fantastic. A big Stonksy party. And obviously I'm guessing it's on the coast as well, is it, Andy? Or is it not? Sounds like somewhere that would be on the coast. Right, let's look at some things anyway. Let's look and listen to TMG. Slap a like. I've just put that in myself. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you wanted to sign up to Stonksy, come and join us. You'll get a link to the Discord and all the good stuff. We've got Hey TMG from Andy. So Andy's going to be coming on the stream. If you missed that, TMG, he's been very successful. So we've got a really good couple of streams lined up. We've got Crypto Bro saying David the wise leader. Shield the new video we posted. Yeah, let's have a look at the new video that was posted. Let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look. So this one, managing large Bitcoin positions. And as you can see, we're uploading very frequently now. So yeah, we've got a video coming every couple of days, and Save with Crypto has put another one together, which I'll try and get out today if I can get the thumbnail done, which should be fine. Or maybe we'll put it out tomorrow, so there's a bit more of a gap. But yeah, we've got another video coming. So yeah, make sure you go in, and you can do this by hitting obviously I haven't got it because I'm on the Stonksy channel, but if you hit the notification bell and put all on, you get notifications when videos go live, you get notifications when I'm live. So yeah, make sure you go and do that. And yeah, go and watch the new video. Make sure you watch every video. I'm a fan too, love the videos. Dave and Martini Guy, the owner of Stonksy. No, so TMG founded Stonksy, TMG owns Stonksy. I work for TMG. So that's the correlation. Yeah, so yeah, if you want to know, I've got 50 people in. What likes are we on? Let's see. Let me check what likes we're on. Because if we should be up there now. Let's see. How many likes are we on? I can't see. Let me just load it up. So we're on 30 likes, so we're nearly there. But we've got 53 in here. So make sure, come on, let's go and get them likes up. Let's go and get them likes up. We've got Crypto Bro saying King David is the master trader. I don't know about master. I don't know about master. That's a strong word to use. But with Stonksy, I suppose anyone can become a master, can't they? Right, anyway, let's go and look at some tickers. We've reviewed the chat, and if I fall behind, I do apologise, but I'm probably going to have to start skipping some today, just so I keep up. Yesterday, I got behind by 15 minutes, which wasn't ideal. But yeah, I suppose that's just how lively the chat is and how enthusiastic you all are. So let's go and look at. So one person was asking Jordan, Shane saying master something as I can't imagine what you might mean, Shane. Sorry. I don't know what you mean. One person was asking Jordan what Bitcoin index you use. So obviously I think you mentioned the Bitcoin index maybe on one of your streams. And someone wants to know exactly what index you use. So obviously we've got this one on TradingView for the all time. You've got the Bitcoin liquid index. You've got the one by BitMEX. Do you use the one provided by TradingView, or which one do you use to look at? That was one question that someone has asked. I imagine it might be this one, but I could be wrong. I think the Bitcoin Liquid Index, I think I've used that before, but it might also be this one. So yeah, someone was asking which one it is. So right, let's go and look at some charts anyway. So let's while we wait for Jordan, I'm sure he'll put in the chat which index he uses. So Saber Crypto says, cool, the Bitcoin index thing is what my new video is about. Oh, is it? I did see your message come through, but I haven't opened it yet. So that's good. Which one is it that you use, SWC? Which one? Is it this one? The one provided by TradingView? Anyway, let's carry on. Right, so someone wanted CLV. I don't think I've ever heard of that, have I? CLV. It's on Binance. So someone wanted, oh, wow, 50% up today. What have we got? So we had a really nice move up here on Stonksy, catching a really nice move. Seems to have been caught a little bit off guard by that one. But the first move was superb. 400% move. I mean, even if you got out in this consolidation here, that was 260%. That one, it seems to have been caught a little bit off guard there. But that's not so bad if you caught this one. Let's see what it's doing on lower time frames. So it caught the drop nicely there. Caught the run up. So on a 15-minute, it's done superbly. So yeah, we got in on Thursday there, ran it all the way up, catching 400% odd. Then flipped from green to red, down, caught the drop down, and then it's closed out, and now it's currently riding higher. Let's see if we're maybe riding the upside move. Yeah, and on the 10-minute, there you go. So the 15-minute and 10-minute have been superb there, catching them. The 10-minute has caught the move up as well. So that is CLV. Some really good performance by Stonksy there. What have we got going on in the chat? Index, yep. Yeah, so yeah, I believe it'll be the TradingView one then. So whoever asked that question about the Bitcoin index, the one with the TradingView logo on it, use that one. Pepe USDT. Let's go and have a look at Pepe. Someone asked for Pepe, so you ask and I shall provide. Let's see what's going on with Pepe. Let's go to the 1 hour. So Pepe closed out after the monster move. So that was a couple of weeks ago. It closed out Sunday just gone. So 5 days ago. And then we've had some very brief. We've had one. That was just for one candle. And then that was a couple of candles on the red. And we've got nothing else on the 1 hour. But that closed out on Sunday. So that is pretty. Oh, we know we don't want that. That is pretty recent price action. 136% from open till close and as high as 180, 190-ish. So that's the 1 hour on Pepe. Let's see what the 30-minute is giving. So we had, it closed out on the 30-minute as well. A slight loss on the red there, which is fine. Again, slight loss there, but it's currently riding what looks like might be the trend down. So maybe the question on Pepe is, does it maybe come and fill in some of this gap here? Maybe does it do something like this? A very slow trickle down. Who knows? But that's quite the gap that's left behind there anyway. So, but we'll see anyway. And Stonks is currently red and is currently in profit. So that's on the 30-minute. Anything on the 15? Yeah, it's caught a couple of nice drops on the 15-minute too. And let's have a look at the 1 minute for the scalping, because I imagine on Pepe it's very good. Yeah, so as you can see on the 1 minute, some really good movement today, especially these bursts up and then these drops down. Even the ones that have been short-lived, that was a nice push up there. That was a nice drop there. Same again, push up. So very nice movement on Pepe, particularly on the 1 minute for you scalpers out there. Let's see what we've got going on. Any thoughts on Echelon Prime? I have no idea what that is. Sorry. Never heard of it. Is it a meme coin by any chance? Is it a meme coin? It sounds like it might be. If it's not, then I don't know. I've never heard of it. But yeah, no, never heard of it, unfortunately. Gaming coin, I've never heard of it. Don't know if TMG's heard of it. So yeah, make sure you keep the comments coming in now, guys. Let's keep some high energy. We've got 54 in the chat. Make sure you go and drop a like. Make sure you subscribe. We've got Crypto Coffee Club, GMGM just tuned in. Thank you very much for coming in. So Coffee Club's going to be coming on the stream tomorrow, discussing his strategy. He's been putting out some really good content on YouTube regarding Stonksy. Make sure you go and have a look at his channel after the stream. And he's going to be coming on live with me tomorrow to discuss Stonksy and the market and show you guys exactly how he developed his strategy based around Stonksy and how he benefits from that. We've got Min saying, anyone know which platform I can buy XRP in the UK? Pretty much any exchange that you use, you'll be able to buy XRP on. What is Meme Economic Forum doing out there? I'm not too sure. I think that's the one that was on. Is that the one that was on the CSE live yesterday? Is it WEF or something? Quant. That's that mad one, isn't it? Where that guy rugged it and then it's been CTO'd and went in just ridiculously high. I think I seen that guy. I don't know whether it was. It might have been the thread that TMG posted, or maybe it was a different one that I seen. But someone said his holdings would be worth about 3 to 4 million now had he held. Obviously, you know, that's in because would it have gone that high if he hadn't rugged it? And then obviously people started doxing him and things like that, didn't they? You know, it might have never reached them levels. But what he held that he rugged for, I think it was 30k, would have actually been worth about 3 to 4 million now, I think, or at the peak. So that's an interesting story. That it's quite fascinating. So yeah, that's Pepe. We've done CLV. What else have we been asked for? Let's have a look at Peanut. People want Peanut, don't they? Someone asked for Peanut before. Let's have a look at Peanut. What is Peanut doing nowadays? What market cap is it? And how high did it go? I didn't really follow the story of Peanut too closely, but on the 1 minute, it looks really nice. Some real good scalping opportunities on the 1 minute. Look at that. The volatility on these meme coins is superb for Stonksy on 1 minute. Obviously, you know, you will have ones where it's sideways and closes out break even, or, you know, you might get a minor loss. But when you catch these bigger moves, more than makes up for it in terms of banking profits and covering any other expense. Let's have a look at Peanut. What we're doing. Nothing really going on with Peanut on a 1 hour. I suppose it's very new though. It's very new, Peanut. Especially this Binance chart is. So obviously we had a nice push down here on the 15 minute. A nice burst up at first. Again, green burst up. So we're going to be looking at something like that with Stonksy as well on, you know, how we can maybe suggest you manage, you take profit and stop losses when using Stonksy on these types of moves. Because obviously you get in there, you know, you get a burst up there of what's that, about 10, 20%, something like that. Yeah, just over 10%. So then at that point, you know, you should never be at risk of losing anything. You know, you should never be at risk of coming out of that trade at a loss. You should always, in that position after a 12% upside move, you should always be in the position where you're definitely coming out of the trade with something, even if it comes back down. So we're going to be coming up with something and pushing that out for everyone. Andy says, any thoughts on Jupiter Dave? Patiently waiting for a break. I haven't looked at it, to be honest. I'll add that to the list as well. We might not get through everything, depending on that, because we have got quite a few recommendations, and I wouldn't mind looking at, you know, some other asset classes. Maybe look at a bit of FX today to show everyone that you can use it on, you know, whatever market that you want to. But yeah, we'll have the gold sniper coming on hopefully as well to show gold. Could you look at Jasmine? Yeah, like I say, I'll add them to the list. I'll just make my way through. It just depends, obviously, on how active the chat is and answering questions and all that good stuff. But yeah, things like this, you know, when you get in there, you should never be coming out, you know, even if it closes below the entry there. After that big move, you should be protecting yourself, protecting your profits and your position. So we'll have something regarding that coming out soon. Got GRT, which has had a real nice performance this week. There you go, look at that. If you ever wanted to see an almost perfect trend up by Stonksy, catching the drops as well. So that turned green on Friday, caught the pump up, Sunday closed out, caught the drop down and this is the same. You know, you get in around, you know, around the start, even if it's not on the first candle, the first few, you get a drop like that, you should be moving your stop loss to break even, you should maybe be trimming some. So then if it does do that in the end. But this is another example of what I said yesterday about Stonksy protecting your capital as well. So, even that technically closed in a loss. You shouldn't be coming out with a loss anyway on that after that drop. But, technically it did. But then, it saw the momentum was to the upside, got out of the red background into the green, and then obviously then it rocketed. So in the instance where that would have carried on being red, obviously the potential loss is much higher. But Stonksy realised that and then got out and then into the green background and then, rode the trend higher and come out there. So that's really nice performance on GRT on the 15 minutes or anything on the 30. Same again. Really nice trends up. That's going back a couple of weeks. Then we had another one in here, up there. Then getting back here and then, straight back up. So, really nice on GRT. Some really nice positions and catching the trend to the upside. We've got don't buy XRP. So Crypto Bro doesn't think you should buy XRP, and that is financial advice. Winky face. I don't know. I don't hold any, so I'm not too sure on where it's going. So let's just cross that off the list. Well, let's look at Jup or Jupe, however you want to say it. There's an airdrop coming out soon as well. For anyone who's been using Jupiter for it, the trading on Solana, which I imagine you will, the airdrop, I think, opens in January for claiming. And that's just for, using the DEX. So, that should hopefully be a nice little stimmy for everyone. Obviously, we had a nice move up here on the 1 hour. Again, nice drop down on the 1 hour. A couple of sideways ones. That closed at a loss, but it's currently in a profit on the 1 hour. So what's that? 1, 2. The call that both of them break even. So currently it's in 3 out of 4. 3 current wins and then 1 loss. So that is really nice positioning by Stonksy. And then again, you can see on similar performance on the 15-minute. Really good. Catching the move up, drop down, brief green background, catching a big drop down again. Again, big drop down. Slight push up there. That one closed at a loss, as did that one, but then again dropped down there, and then currently, in some profit on that red background right about there. So that's Jupe. That is Jupe. So we've got Adam Ball saying, "Hi mate, I see CSE running any Black Friday deals on Stonksy." So CSE and Stonksy are 2 separate companies. The 2 separate entities. Obviously, they're both owned by TMG, but they are 2 separate companies. But CSE is running a Black Friday deal, so there's 80% off. Yeah, that's right, 80%, which takes the community. So it's the Community Plus plan, the monthly one. So that takes it down to just £20 a month. So you can go and get that if you go onto the Crypto Saving Expert website, and then you select the community plan monthly. Go to checkout, code BLACK80. So I'll pop it in here. So Black 80. Oops, did that wrong. Black 80. Black 80, and then you can get in the CSE Discord for just £20 a month, which is super. So if you want to, 20 quid, what you can get with that these days, pizza or something. Take advantage of that. But on Stonksy, we're going to be running no discount now. So we're not devaluing the products or anything. And the reason behind that is obviously, 1, the product's already great anyway. And 2, we're going to be rolling out a lot of developments. So, we're putting the revenue behind developing the product, making it better, adding more things. So, 2 weeks ago, we released the alerts, and we're working on some other tools for the indicator as well that you can add onto the chart. And then, there's going to be things coming to do with partnering with an exchange. And then a bit further down the line, we're hopefully going to be having potentially a bot which will open and close trades. But there'll be more on that, when it's concrete and things like that. But there's going to be no discount on Stonksy for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So if you do want to sign up, I'll drop the link in the chat now. Don't be worrying about signing up for an extra cost, because there will be no discount on it. But if you want to go over to CSE, you can get the community plan for just £20 a month with code BLACK80. Come and join the Discord. Alan Ball, Stonksy, the premium product, no black. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we're not running any discount on it. Let's pull up something else. What can we have a look at? Vanry. Let's have a look at Vanry. So what was that like we've done then? Duper in it, yeah. So Vanry. So that's really nice by Stonksy there. Some what are they on? I've got a box drawn here for some reason. Area of interest, I'm guessing. so really nice 15-minute indications there on Stonksy. That's Vanry on the 15-minute that we're looking at currently. Everyone loves a deal. That's true. Yeah, that's true. Well, that's it. Go and take advantage of the CSE one if you want to. The thing with Stonksy is you also get access to the. So we just launched the Discord. So when you sign up to Stonksy, you get access to the Discord. That's in your welcome message. The link for that. But yeah, if you want to join the CSE Discord, £20 a month, code BLACK80 on the Community Plus monthly plan. So yeah, go and have a look at that. Is there an alarm when Stonksy moves to BIOS? Yeah, that's the alert. So you can see that. There's a video on YouTube. So if you go to the YouTube channel, there's a video on how to do that. But I will go through it. Yes, I'll go through it on stream now. Of course, but have you seen gold on sale? That's it. Yeah. Have you ever seen gold on sale? You get Bitcoin on sale every couple of years, don't you? Top man, thanks. No problem at all. Hopefully, we'll see you in one or the other. Hopefully I'll see you in the Discord, or hopefully, I'll see you in on Stonksy. No clue. What is the minimum amount? Let's see. What's this? Let me just check my phone a sec. Sorry, I think just make sure I've got no important messages. You guys are more than important though. Don't you worry. Yeah. So right. So what is the minimum amount you recommend starting a trading account? I'm interested in Stonksy. See that again. That's a bit of a blurred question, Patrick, because I can't give you some financial advice. Check the description for the disclaimer. Everything is just educational. But what I can tell you is, if you're just interested in testing, just pick a low amount. You don't have to go in head first. You don't have to get Stonksy and then go in head first and go, right, I need to jump in right now. And, you just, dive in head first. You can just take a small amount, that you wouldn't be mind just testing it with, etc. and stuff, and just use that. So I can't recommend you amount because I obviously don't know your situation. I don't know your portfolio value. I don't know what your risk amount, what you'd be okay with losing or testing with, etc. But just pick a small amount and test it for a couple of days. But hopefully, if you've not got Stonksy, hopefully we'll see you over there. That would be insane. Yeah, that would be good. It would be good. I think everyone would like that. Do you learn how to trade with CSE? Yes, you can. Yes. So obviously there's loads of courses on the website. So when you join a CSE Plus membership, you unlock all the higher tier courses that are in the academy, but also in the Discord. And this is only for premium members. There's no sale on premium, but for premium members, you get one-to-one coaching with a professional trader. So he's super good, really good trader, and he offers one-to-one coaching for premium members. And they book, I think you can book up to one a week, I think it is, with him. But for the cost of, say, CSE Plus Premium, and then what you might cost, what you might cost up actual trading coaching, it's incredible value. But yeah, and obviously, you can ask questions in there to other members, etc. So yeah, there's loads on offer. Bought most of my XRP under 0.10. That's fantastic. Well done. So you're at what, just at about an 11x on XRP? Yeah, or use a demo account. Yeah, like JC says, Patrick, use a demo account. You don't even have to use real money. That's good thinking. I didn't think of that. Use a demo account and practice. That way you're not risking any money. There's some XRP beef going on in the chat. There's some XRP Crypto Bros and Shane are going at it. We might have to get you to a boxing ring. Bitcoin dominance is king. I haven't checked Bitcoin dominance in a while. But yeah, so there's Vanry. Let's have a look at maybe the 1 hour. Yeah, some nice pushes up. Obviously, we had that nice drop there. Super nice bounce there. As you can see, Stonksy caught the drop and then flipped long and then caught the nice push up. And then we've had a few short-lived ones. few nice catches. Like that was a nice catch to the downside. That was a nice catch to the upside. And then, yeah, there's nothing really going on the 1 hour currently. But on the 15-minute, really nice. And on the 30-minute, that's quite nice as well for some of them. But yeah, 15-minute is currently the best on Vanry. By the looks of it anyway. Unless you're going down to lower time frames. Let's have a look. 1 minute. Yeah. Obviously, I don't know how good this would be because, as you can see, and this is the Binance chart, so this is the exchange is the most volume. The candles were a bit obviously unformed and things like that. So, but still catches them. What have we got going on in the chat? Let's see. What have we got? Yeah, we've got some more beef going on between Shane and Crypto Bro over XRP. But yeah, if anyone's not signed up for Stonksy, so here's a question. Who's currently watching that doesn't have Stonksy? Let's have a look. There's no shame in it, there's nothing wrong with you coming watching the live streams and joining in and offering your input and watching the streams daily. It's great to have as many people as we can in here. But drop a comment in the chat if you don't have Stonksy. So we've got Shane saying me. I'd be interested to know just how many people we've got watching that don't have Stonksy yet. So we've got Shane saying me, known as Z saying me. We've got Maria Braz. JC saying everyone liked the stream. That's it. And comments. Keep your comments coming in. So we've got Maria Braz saying me. So that's 3 so far. Anyone else in the chat that doesn't have Stonksy? Does anyone else not have Stonksy, or is all 40 odd of you all Stonksy users at the moment? Shane saying he's deciding. Well, hopefully we'll, anyone who doesn't have you, hopefully we'll see you over at Stonksy soon. We've got Lara saying not yet. Well, hopefully, these streams are showing you. We've got warning. So yeah, there's a good handful of you that don't have Stonksy yet. And you can try it for just £145 a month, which, like I've said before, at first, some people might say, oh, that's expensive and thing. It's around about £5 per day, which I think is cheap, considering some people spend that on a coffee a day, or, some people might go and buy a sandwich a day, whatever. I think it's good value, incredible value, really, especially for what we've got coming in the next couple of months. The value that we're going to be adding to users. We've just opened it. We added alerts. We've just opened the Discord. There's plenty more in the plans and development behind the scenes. I think we could convert some of you guys over. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 of you, 8. We'll do a review when I do. That would be good, Shane. That would be good to see. Adam Ball saying, I don't have Stonksy. Just looked at the link. You pinned for Stonksy lifetime membership for 2,500. Just double check, is that for Stonksy? Yes, it doesn't say. I assume it is. Yeah. So so on Stonksy, there's the monthly plan, which is £145 a month. There's the annual plan. Then there's the one that we've tied in with CSE to offer. You get CSE premium for a year. And then you get Stonksy for a year as well on that one. So there's that one, and then there is the life. So the one that says lifetime, is the $2,500 one. To answer your question, Gordo says not yet. Getting at the end of the month on Cyber Monday to get Trading View at discount. Yeah, that'd be great to see you. It'd be great to see you over. Obviously, we will not be running any discount on Stonksy for Cyber Monday or Black Friday, just so everyone is aware. Like, obviously, it's a premium product, and with the value that we're going to be adding, and I've already added, we believe, obviously, keep everyone on a level playing field and not to devalue the product. So we got Pricey saying me. So there's a few of you, isn't there? Payday Friday. So you're going to be joining Corsa. You're going to be joining Stonksy. But yeah, hopefully, there's a good 6, 7, 8, 9 years that don't have Stonksy yet. Hopefully these streams will see you over in the Stonksy Discord soon. So you get the Stonksy Discord link when you sign up. But hopefully you're enjoying the streams and it's providing you, some good content and entertainment. Martini guy saying, "Let's effing go, David." Yes, let's go, let's go. But yeah, we need to convert some of you guys over. We need to convert some of you guys over. Come and try it for a month. Come and try it for a month. It's it's cheap, I think, anyway. For what's on offer, I think it's great value for money. Right, anyway, let's have a look. Let's look at something else. Let's have a look at Jasmine. Someone asked for Jasmine, didn't they? Back test, yeah, and yeah, like I said, we've got more coming. Obviously, with developing Stonksy in terms of adding things to the indicator. Obviously, things like partnering with an exchange. You know, we'll have an exchange link for you guys soon. But also, yeah, like TMG just said, there's going to be back tests data coming soon, so that'll be published onto the website. There'll be strategies coming for ones that we recommend on, you know, how best to use Stonksy on what time frames. You know, maybe how best to place your trades in terms of positioning yourself to get the most out of Stonksy and get the best chance of hitting take profits regularly. So yeah, there's loads coming. There's so much behind the scenes going on that obviously you guys won't see. But yeah, it's exciting, and yeah, you can look forward to seeing it all. I think we've still got some beef going on between Shane and Crypto Bro over XRP. Still beefing. We've got Muji saying, if you don't have any sales on Stonksy, good, but don't increase price. No. So the price is the price. The price is the price. So you won't end up paying more. The monthly plan won't end up going up. You know what you pay is be what you pay. We got Matador with the bull saying, can you alarm when Stonksy? Yeah, right. I'll show this now. Another Dave, how is it to follow that chart trade on momentum? It's obviously if you sat behind the desk, very easy. Let me just show you how to set alerts because a few people have asked this now. But this is the Jasmine chart. It's absolutely been killing it this morning on the 1 minute chart for scalping. Superb. We have a look at the 15-minute. What have we got? Caught a nice drop down on the 15-minute there. Caught a really nice drop down again there. Really nice pump up. Anything on the 1 hour? Yeah, caught drop down there, pump up, drop again. Nice pump up there. Currently is in, currently in a profit on the red. A few short-lived ones. I've not really looked at Jasmine too much. Has anyone really looked at Jasmine? 3 minute is looking nice as well. That was a monster candle, weren't it? Look at that. That turned red there, and the next one, bang. But yeah, the scalping on Jasmine looks great today. It's one after another, down. A few short-lived ones, down. What have we got going on in the chat? Let's see. So we've got MediBoost saying, well, I have Stonksy. It makes very good calls, and I do recommend it. Which, thank you very much for your kind words. That's good to hear. I've made the mistake of using too much leverage and lost quite a bit on 3x. I haven't lost any trade. That's what I mentioned before. You know, lower your leverage down, guys. You know, especially if you're scalping, you know, you'll obviously pay less fees, but your risk management will be a lot tighter and a lot better as well. So you're protecting your pots that you've got to play with, you know, and trade with. Like that couldn't be a better example there by MediBoost. And as you can see, you know, he's learned from his mistakes. He knows he's made a mistake by using too much leverage and losing, but then he's moved his leverage down to 3x and hasn't lost a trade yet. So, you know, there's a perfect lesson in there. If you are going to make mistakes, just make sure that they're worth something. And obviously, MediBoost has learned from his losses and has cut the leverage down and is benefiting now. So yeah, that's a superb example there by Medi. We've got a couple of others. What have we got? I love Shane. It's just bants. Yeah, I know. There's no hostility. Me, but I'm about to change that now. What's that? Oh, you don't have some. Oh, you're getting it. So there we go. There's one conversion done. There's one conversion. Patrick is now turned from a non-Stonksy user to a Stonksy user. He says he's about to change that now and get Stonksy. Shane says he's got a coin to shield TMG. Crypto Bro's jumping off to go into the CSE Town Hall. See you guys later. Thank you for your contribution, Crypto Bro. Amazing to see you in the stream again. It was a pleasure. And thank you for stopping by and, providing engagement in the chat. And it was good to see you and Shane going at it. Like, subscribe, comment. And for any of you guys that didn't have Stonksy and want to get it, there's the link. That'll tell you all you need to know about plans and etc. So what have we got going on now? We've looked at Jasmine. So that was another one. There's not too many on there. We've already looked at that. We've looked at Banry. Let's have a look at, I think someone asked for Apt, didn't they, Aptos? And then I think I'm going to pull up an FX chart after that. So let's see. 1 minute chart. Really nice performance on the 1 minute. Not as many as you'd see on, a meme coin or Bitcoin even, probably. But, yeah, it looks like it's already had its run. It's just in a cool-off, isn't it? So it had its run 2 weeks ago. Came out of it last Thursday, so nearly a week ago. And then it's just had some choppiness. But it's just on a cool down. You'll see this across the market. Ones that have ran hard like that. And then they're just on a cool down, just chopping up. Literally, it's just simple ranging. Just cooling off, consolidating, and just going from side to side, just taking longs and shorts out while it ranges. Dropping now, lunchtime. Thank you very much for tuning in, Shane. It was a pleasure. Thank you for your contribution. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you back tomorrow, mate. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day. And yeah, keep banking them profits. That's what we want. But yeah, Apt. Let's see on Apt. Oops. Much far too zoomed in. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's just literally it's just sideways, isn't it? But Stonksy can still catch, the ups and the downs. So nice push up there, down. Nice drop down there. Nice drop down there. Ooh. Do apologise. I need a drink of water, I think. Just one moment. Lovely. But yeah, so that's Apt. For anyone who wants to know. Currently, it's just going sideways, so it's good for scalps, I think. So yeah, tell me in the chat what would you guys like me to look at next, or what's your current feelings on the market? Where do you think we're going next? Feel free to post anything in. Have you got any questions about Stonksy? Do you want me to look at something? I'll tell you what was asked with the alerts. Let me do that now before I forget. So let me change these. So everyone who wants to know how to set the Stonksy alerts, do pay attention right now because I'm going to do it for you. So let's pick up one like Doge. That changes a lot on the 1 minute. So let's pick this up. So what you do is you go to alert, then condition, Stonksy. Then you select what type of condition you want. So I just want to know every time that the background is changed. So that whether it be from red to green, from green to no color, from no color to red, etc. Then I want to know every time that happens. So I don't want it to do it once and then stop. I want to know every time the background color changes on the 1 minute Doge chart. So then I select once per bar, close, because the color change is solidified after the bar close. So say if the color's red, and then on the most recent candle that's currently forming, it's flickering maybe between red and green. Once that candle closes, we'll know then if the background's going to continue red or if it's going to be shifted to green. Maybe if you're doing it on a higher time frame, maybe the Bitcoin 1 hour chart, you could set it to only once. So then it'll just tell you once when the background's changed, and then that's it. But I want to know every time the background changes. So you can set the alert name. Let's say stream and message. It's changed. Create. Okay. So then that will then go into the alerts, and as you can see, Doge 1 minute, and then when the background color changes, you'll see I'll have a little one there, and it'll go into the log. Now the good thing with this is if you want to, so you have to set the alerts for each asset and each time frame that you want. So this is on the Doge 1 minute. If I wanted the Doge, say 10 minute, I'd have to flick onto the 10-minute time frame, do the process again, and then it would stay in your alerts. Now, the only catch is TradingView as a company only allow you to set one alert when you're on the free plan. So say, for instance, if I was on the free plan, I'd be able to set this on Doge, no problem at all. But if I wanted to set any more, I would have to upgrade. Now, if you're in that position, or maybe you don't have Stonksy yet and you want to take advantage of the alerts and you think, well, I'd want to set more than one alert, next week they'll be having a massive sale. TMG says it's 90% off premium plans for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So now is the time to strike if you want to do that. You'll be able to get TradingView for buttons really cheap considering what the plans are now. And then you'll be able to set all the alerts you want up to the amount that your plan allows for whatever one you've chosen. So that's how you set the alerts. I will go through it one more time just in case anyone wants to know again. There is a video on the Stonksy YouTube channel though if you want to see that. So let's do it on the Bitcoin 1 hour, and I'll just show you a different example. So currently we're in the green, pumping, having a good rally. So say I want to know Stonksy. I want to know when the background changes. So that could be from green to red or green to no background. So just basically when the background. So I could select this if I wanted to, so green to no color, but I just want to know if it changes from green to anything else. And then instead of once per bar, so that would be every time that happens, I just want to know when this particular phase of green finishes. So then I would want to go BTC green finished. And then in here I could say done, whatever, create. And then again, that will then go into my alert and is active, and then I'll get the log. Now, the other good thing is, if you've got TradingView on your phone, you know, whether you're on Android, Apple, whatever, as long as you've got notifications turned on in your settings for TradingView, you'll get an alert then on your phone to say whatever alert it is. You know, so for instance, when the Doge chart background changes on the 1 minute, I'll get an alert through to my phone saying alert on Doge 1 minute, blah blah blah, for whatever you've named it. So that's how you can take advantage. Obviously, you will get them through on desktop as well. You know, you'll see I'll get a little one on the alert bit there. And obviously, if you've got pop-ups on, it could pop up saying, you know, alert active. So that's how you do alerts. Like I say, there is a full walkthrough on the YouTube channel, full video showing you how to do it. But that is how you do it for anyone who wanted to know. Has anyone got any questions on that, or is that all good? We've got Andy saying green on Bitcoin 3 minute coming up to tap all-time high. Maybe US is waking up, pump or dump. Let's have a look. Andy. If anyone wants to ask any questions, it's an open floor. You can literally ask anything. You can say anything you want. Just let me know. Did you say it's green on the 3 minute? Green on 3 minute. It might be because I'm on the Bybit chart. Let's have a look at this one. No, it's not on the index either. What chart are you? Maybe Binance, or maybe you're using the exchange that you use. Anyway, yes, it looks like it's coming up. We'll see what happens on US Open. It'll be interesting because it's had a nice grind higher today. We've got Crypto Coffee Club saying a summary of TMG's suggested strategy would be nice. Never mind if you've covered it already. I can remind later. So there's going to be back testing data and information on strategies on how to use Stonksy coming this week. So yeah, we will be releasing them, so you can watch this space on that coffee. We've got pump or double top incoming. Yeah, 94k. Are we gonna watch Bitcoin go to all-time high live? Let's see. What is it currently? What did it go to yesterday? Oh wow, it's all-time high now. Oh, I didn't realize that. That's a shock. Is it? I thought it went to 94k yesterday. Maybe it never. Well, it didn't look like it did on Bybit anyway. Okay, that changes everything. Let's go down to the 1 minute. Maybe we get the spike up to 95, but it's close to entering price discovery now. Had 2 winning gold trades this morning, 1 small win on Doge, 1 nice win on Sol, all 3 min with Stonksy. That is superb to know, Elfish. Thank you very much for that. So Elfish is smashing it today as usual. And Elfish, oh, look at that big candle on the 1 minute, right into price discovery, taken out. That'll be grabbing liquidations and stops now. This is great to watch live. Literally, this is the first time that we've seen Bitcoin hit 94,100, and we've all just watched it together. So you can always think about that now. We all watch this together on stream. What a family we are. So yeah, well done, Elfish. Elfish is absolutely smashing it with Stonksy. superb. Regular stream comer. He comes to all the streams that he can. And yeah, he's absolutely smashing it with Stonksy. It was, but no calling out, yeah. On the 1 minute, it's going for it, isn't it? So you're using the BitGet chart. Wonder if we get a big quick move up to 95k. I just got Stonksy, but on my trading view, it's a separate window. How do I get it to look like yours? What do you mean? Do you mean for using for moving the background onto the chart? K Super Nerd. Do you mean for moving the background onto the chart? Is that what you mean? There's a video on our YouTube channel on how to do that. It's in the how to set up Stonksy playlist. Yeah, it's in there. Tell you what, actually, let's just do it now. Let me show K Super Nerd how to do it. And maybe this is for anyone else who wants to know as well. So let me just I'll just put this back to our normal. So when you load up Stonksy, this is how it'll show. So it'll be obviously you got the line. We need to cover the line as well. We need to give the line some love. And you've got the background color. So what you do to move this up is you'll go on more, move to existing pane above, which will then put Stonksy onto your chart at the top. Then what you do is to get rid of it, the lines and everything, you go on settings, you remove the plot, remove the line, and that's it. You don't need to touch them. That's just if you want to have like a lighter, background color. You can also change the colors on them if you want to. You can put this to blue, whatever. You can customize it, but that's how you do it. Very simple. And then if you want the line again, so say maybe you want that there, all you do is go to indicators, invite only. I will put Stonksy on the chart again. So you'd select it a second time, and then you can just go on the settings on here and turn the background colors off. So then you could have the background and the line on separately. But that is how you, put the background onto the chart. So hopefully that helped. And if you do need a slower walk through that, you can obviously rewind the stream, or you can go and get the video. That's on the YouTube channel. Always use Bybit, but no more in Spain. You're not allowed to use Bybit in Spain, no, Andy. Bitcoin looking very strong. Yeah, it's there's no stopping it, is there? There's no stopping at the moment. Man, every time I get excited and need a pee. Yeah, it's exciting, isn't it? It's really exciting. There's nothing quite like watching, there'll obviously come a point where we'll long for days like this, watching Bitcoin hit an all-time high and just going up only. Obviously when, either when it tops out or when we have another really boring long phase of consolidation, or, if it goes into a high time frame downtrend, we'll be longing for days like this. So you got to really make the most of it and just, watch it enter price discovery. 94,400. Let's see a retest and pump on. Now, gutted, need to find another exchange. Yeah, I always used to love Bybit. They don't serve UK customers either anymore. Bybit, I loved Bybit. But we're going to be bringing you an exchange with Stonksy that is just as good as Bybit. And yeah, there'll be a nice, obviously, sign up bonuses and all that good stuff that you get usually. But yeah, thank you for everyone who's joined. We've got 40 people watching. Make sure you go and drop the stream a like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell onto all alerts to make sure you get all the good stuff going on. But yeah, and if you're not signed up to Stonksy yet, go and take a look at the plans. We'd love to have you part of the Stonksy army, the Stonksy family. And yeah, we just recently opened our Discord this week, so you get an invite link to join the Discord as well when you sign up. But let's have a look. I did say we was going to do this, so we will actually do it. Let's have a look at the pound dollar for all you potential FX traders out there. So as you can see, it's very similar to how crypto works in terms of catching the moves. You do get these couple of sideways, short-lived ones. But in terms of, catching here, yawning again. Let me get another drink of water. Can't be having that. I think I was yawning all the way through the stream. I think on Monday, wasn't I? But yeah, as you can see, really nice catches. And yeah, on the 5 minute, really nice. Caught some good moves. Anything on the 1 hour? Caught a real nice one on the 1 hour here. Superb. Drop that on the pound all the way up from 128.750 down to 126.0 basically. And again, some other examples of nice drop downs, nice moves up, all the good stuff. Anything on the 15 minute. That one closing a slight loss. That caught a nice drop down. This one caught a nice spike up and is currently in a minor loss. Euro USD is a good one as well. That had a superb drop. As you can see, yeah, again, nice pump up. But it was the 1 hour. I don't know if it's still open. No, it's not. That was a monster drop by Stonksy. Obviously, it caught this nice move up here and then entered the red and then just carried on dropping. And that move, to catch that move on FX is really, really nice. So, yeah, obviously FX is more of a scalping one, isn't it? But as you can see, look at that for performance. It doesn't really get much better than that, does it? Whether this is on Bitcoin, whether it's on Ethereum, Solana, or on FX pairs like it is now, drop down, some very short-lived pumps / break-even ones, drop down, slight pump, quite a big drop down there, and then pump, drop down, etc. And then it's basically caught all the move down in sections and then started to catch the reversal as well. So, yeah, that's on Euro USD. So, yeah, you can use Stonksy on FX. You can use it on crypto. You can use it on commodities, so gold, silver. You can use it on the S&P 500, NASDAQ. You can use it on stocks. You can use it on everything. Whenever I took a trade on Bitcoin going sideways, I always got out of the trade, then did break out. It's always the way, isn't it? It's always the way. Sometimes you overthink things. And yeah, that can be the pain. Let's go back to Bitcoin because it looks like, yeah. Come on, Bitcoin. We've got just over an hour as well to US Open, so we'll see what happens on US Open. Gold is pumping right now. Here comes the retest, says Andy. Yeah, this is really nice. What I'll do is we've been streaming for 1 hour 22 minutes. I will stream until an hour and a half, so another 8 minutes. Well, about to come up to 7 minutes. So I'll stream for another 7 minutes, and yeah, we'll get to an hour and a half stream, and then we'll call it a day there until tomorrow. But in the meantime, so you've got 7 minutes. If you've got any tickers you want me to look at, if you've got any questions about Stonksy, maybe questions about the overall market, or maybe you just want to tell me a really random thing, that's fine. Ask away. Let's get it in the chat. Let's get it in the chat, everyone. Come on. There's 40 of you in here, so someone must want to say something. Someone must want to say something. Adam Ball says, dropping off the stream to watch some Stonksy videos before I give it the green light. Good stream, say thanks. Yeah, there's quite a bit of content that we've got on there. We've got content coming more regularly now in terms of video uploads. We've got another one that's due to go up today or first thing in the morning tomorrow. But it'd be great to have you on Team Stonksy, Adam. And yeah, whatever plan you go for, it will be great to have you join regardless. So, whether that's maybe you give the monthly plan a go at first, maybe you go for the annual, or I mean, yeah, if you want to drop the bag, the lifetime one. But regardless, yeah, hopefully, we'll see you on Team Stonksy and see you in the Discord. I'm in the USA. Can I still use Stonksy? Yes, you can. You can use Stonksy in the USA, Matt. That's not a problem. Stonksy literally just goes on TradingView. So you go on indicators, you'll have it in here, Stonksy in invite only once you're given access, and you just load it up to your TradingView. There's nothing stopping you, regardless of the legislation in the US. There's nothing stopping you adding an indicator to TradingView. Tell you what, I can post my restaurant Facebook link. I'll give any Stonksy user a free meal if they pop in. Not sure if that's allowed though. Post it in the Discord, Andy. Post it in the Discord. That's fine. That's fine. I trust you that it's not going to be a dodgy link. But that's very kind of you. And yeah, hopefully we'll be having a Stonksy party there next year. That would be good. That would be superb. We've got someone else asking, does the accuracy go up or down with volatility? Obviously it works. It's better on the 1 minute, on the low time frame. So, say the 1 minute, the 3 minute, for volatility. Yeah. So when the volume comes in, so, Asia market, the first couple of hours in US Open market. Yeah, that's obviously when we get the most volatility. So yeah, that's the best time to scalp, in our opinion anyway. Adam Ball says, all sounds good. I just need to make sure I can get the most out of it, how to set up, etc., and wait for a trading view offer, as I'm going to use both of them to get to the full advantage. Yeah, that's it. I mean, obviously, yeah, in the meantime, you can still get Stonksy and obviously use it with the background colour. I do apologise, I started yawning. And yeah, you can still get Stonksy and utilise the background colour, everything. The only limitation to a free trading view plan is the alerts. Yeah. But yeah, hopefully, yeah. Hopefully you decide you'll give it a go, Adam. And hopefully, we'll see you on Team Stonksy. But do let us know, come back and do let us know your thoughts tomorrow. Make sure you join the stream tomorrow. Come back and let us know your thoughts on after the videos you've watched and all the good stuff. It'd be great to hear on how you got on watching all the video content. We've got Matt Beeler saying, thank you for answering my question. Payday tomorrow. Just created username on .io. We'll be getting tomorrow. Have a great day. Oh, that's superb. So Matt's going to be joining Stonksy tomorrow. So yeah, look forward to welcoming you to the Stonksy team, Matt. Yeah, and you've just created your account on stonksy.io, have you? Superb. Dan says, great content. Will TMG be live as usual today? Yes, he will. He'll probably be streaming the US Open. So I'd maybe expect him to go live in half an hour. That's 2:00 UK time. I would guess. But as usual, he'll post on Twitter. He'll post in all his Telegram channels when he goes live. But yeah, thank you very much for joining, everyone. It was an absolute pleasure again today. And we've still got 36 people watching. So a big thank you to every single person that tuned in today and for sticking around for the whole stream. We've nearly been going an hour and a half. Hopefully, I've provided you some good content, some good educational content in terms of Stonksy. Hopefully, I've provided you, some good entertainment to get you through the day, whether you're at work or, maybe you're just at home chilling, whatever. But yeah, it's a pleasure to do these streams for you, and I really, really enjoy doing them every day. Nice bullish engulfing on the 1 minute, out of the 1 minute flag, going making a brew. Yeah, I'm going to make a brew after here as well. Can't wait to watch. Yeah, the US Open. Make sure if you're doing anything today, tune in for the US Open in an hour from now. It'll be interesting to see if it just goes full send mode towards 100k now, or maybe they just wipe out all this slow grinding high that we've had. Catch you tomorrow, Dave. See you tomorrow, Andy. And yeah, make sure you drop me a message in the Discord. Visit Dubai. It will be it would be fun, mate. I've never been to Dubai yet. Yeah, I've never been to Dubai, but I do want to go. Have to have a session where we share Stonksy trading strategies. Yeah, that would be good. That would be good. I mean, we can do that in the Discord. There's no reason why we can't get that going in the Discord. But we will be having Crypto Coffee Club on the stream tomorrow to share his strategy and how he's found best to utilize Stonksy and bank profits with it. Then we'll be having Save with Crypto on next week. Andy's going to be coming on, and a guy called the Gold Sniper. I offered him a space to come on as well to show us how he utilizes Stonksy to trade gold. I think we have. We just have, Dan. Are we seeing a new all-time high before you end? Yeah, we just have. I think that just went over then. I think that just went. All this is all-time high anyway. All this above 94k that we've had in the last 10, 15, 20 minutes. But yeah, we are. This is all-time high now. So this is in price discovery. Bitcoin has never been higher than this, obviously minus a couple of seconds ago. But a good thing to think about is Every single Bitcoin holder in the world is now in profit. Every single Bitcoin holder is in profit. No matter where you bought, whether you bought the last cycle high, whether you bought at 80K, whether you bought at 90K. Obviously, minus that tiny pump up, if for whatever reason you managed to buy there and that was your first buy, would be unlucky. But every single Bitcoin holder in the world is now in profit, which is pretty crazy to think about. But yeah, that's the way it is. So yeah, have a think about that for the rest of the day. As long as we keep pumping higher, every time Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, every single holder in the world is in profit on Bitcoin. And we're getting a pullback now. So yeah, be interested to see what happens. Again, thank you very much for joining the stream, everyone. I appreciate every single one of you. Before you go, make sure you please drop a like on the stream, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and turn it on all, because that'll give you the notification when I go live each day, and it'll tell you when we've uploaded a new video. And make sure you come back tomorrow. I stream 12 o'clock UK time, so currently that's 12 o'clock UTC, every single day. And yeah, make sure you come back. It would be great to see you all here every day. And we'll have another round of fun yesterday. The streams are getting better and better. Gordo says, good stream, Dave. Thank you, Gordo. Thank you for your contribution and thank you for watching. And yeah, we'll see what has happened. So currently we're finishing the stream at a $94,400 Bitcoin. So we'll see what it's at tomorrow when we boost up the stream, and obviously the price action that's unfolded during that time. Will we be streaming above 95K tomorrow? Who knows, but we will see. Right, I'll leave it there, and I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, or, if you're in a different part of the world, have a good evening. And yeah, keep on banking profits. Catch you all tomorrow.